One of the best ways to compare real estate investment to stocks, mutual funds, or other investments is to look at cash-on-cash returns. As an investor, you should look at the cash-on-cash return for any investment you make. In real estate, cash-on-cash return can be higher than most other asset classes. Cash-on-cash return measures how much you earn on an investment property based solely on your initial cash investment, which is your down payment plus closing costs. Understanding your cash-on-cash return is simple. Take your yearly cash flow or rent, subtract the expenses, including your mortgage, and divide it by your initial cash investment. Here's how it works. If you put $25,000 down on a property and pay $3,000 in closing costs, then your initial cash investment in that property is $28,000. If that property provides you with cash flow of $2,400 for the year, meaning you pocket $2,400 after the mortgage and expenses are paid, your cash-on-cash return is 8.6%. That means every dollar you've invested is returning nearly 9 cents, and that is just on the cash flow. If you invest in real estate, cash-on-cash return shows you the bottom line of your annual income. As a bonus, in real estate, you also earn equity on every investment you make where property values appreciate. You can match cash-on-cash return up against stocks, mutual funds, or other investments to see how well your real estate investments are working for you.